ways to protect or ways to invest your money. All right. So fixed, that's basically your savings account, right? So 1%, your interest is not going up. It's fixed. This is depicted in this A graph. It's fixed over time. Variable, this is more your stocks. This is more your crypto. You know, the value can go up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. Variable, pretty self-explanatory, right? Index, so like the IUL, it has a floor of 0.07%. Let me make sure. I think it's either it might be points. I think it's actually 0.72. It's 0.72. I'll confirm that. But it has a floor. So if it's based on the index, so it goes up with the index, but because it has a floor and an annual reset, it does not go down. So your money, even if the market goes down, you still have a gain. Okay? And because of that annual reset, you start where you left off. So you keep going up. There's no risk. There's no risk with an index policy, but you benefit from the market. Okay, so tax. Stocks are taxed annually. Say it's at a 15% tax rate. You're trying to withdraw $10,000. You pay Uncle Sam $15,000. You keep $85,000. Tax later, that's going to be your pensions, your 401k, your annuities, your 103Bs. All of your pensions are taxed later. So say the tax rate is 30%, you want to withdraw $10,000, you pay Uncle Sam $3, you keep $7. However, with the 7702, these are your index policies. So if you have a financial advisor, you want to talk to them about this. I also do financial advising, so you can reach out to me personally. But you're technically taxed early on. Again, remember at the beginning of the presentation, I mentioned that tax goes up. So you want to be taxed earlier than later. So you're taxed a small amount early on, but when you're ready to withdraw, you're not taxed. Even when you take out that cash value, if you take out the cash value at any time, any age, you're not taxed on that money. So you withdraw $10,000, you keep $10,000.